everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, if you are new here. I'm going to be doing this look using just a couple of products, really quick. You can do it in like 5 minutes, but it's still a cool look to do. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. This is the Danessa Myricks Vivid palette. It's a waterproof cream palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to use a Prados brush. Get the hair off it. So it's just like a small flat, Jesus, cat. Sorry. It's a small flat brush, and these colors are so vivid. Vivid palette, but you don't need a lot of it. I start on the lid, and I color from my lash line up into my crease with just what's left on my brush. So I want to bring it all the way through to my crease, not all the way up to under my brow. If you feel like it's getting too far, you can just take your finger and just blend it. Too far. You can just take some off of your brush and just blend that out. So they do say that it's waterproof, but I might be using it wrong. So to me, throughout the day, it does kind of move around a little bit, but if I set it with just a little bit of transparent powder, I'm using Laura Mercier, the loose powder, the transparent loose setting powder, and I get a Prados brush. And I just tap a little bit of that on it, and I find that that makes everything stay. I usually set my eye makeup with a transparent powder, and never have a problem. I also use that same color with just a loose blush brush. And just use that for my blush just on the apples of the cheeks. And then I take my finger and just pat that onto my lips. So it's just one product, but you can use it on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. It gives a really cool, like, 60s vibe. So now I'm gonna take Costa Riche by MAC Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite brown liners because it's almost like a medium tone. It's not too dark, and it's very warm. It's like no other color I've ever seen. And I'm just gonna take that and kind of slightly turn down because I want it to come down a little bit because I find that that's a very like 60s liner look. Do the same, and you run this along the bottom lash line and connect it, and then go on the inner rim. Then with a smaller, firmer brush, just run that right along the line. And then when I get to the outer corner, I want to pull down a little bit so it makes this part more smoky, where you're meeting this part, you're keeping it nice and tight. Now with Superhero from IT Cosmetics, let's do top and bottom lashes. And there you have it. Just a quick couple products, like an ode to the 1960s liner look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see any other tutorials from me, let me know. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.